Adjusting journal entries. So we all know what adjusted journal entries look like. But what's the definition of an adjusted journal entry? Well, they are entries made in the general journal to record revenues that have been earned but not recorded, and expenses that have been incurred but not recorded as well. So there's 4 classifications of scenario for adjusting journal entries, but today we'll look at the first one. Cash is received before revenue, deferred revenue is earned. Deferred revenue. So, in this example, we use a magazine subscription. On the 1st of October, in the general journal entry, will be cash 1,200 because the subscription is for 12 months. And if it's 12 months, 1,200, that's $100 each month. An unearned subscription revenue of 1,200. So that's an increase in assets and also an increase in liabilities. And this is all to record cash received for future magazine. On the T account will be on debit side 1,200 in cash and unearned subscription revenue 1,200 on the credit side. Let's add that to the new adjusted journal entry. So on the 31st of October, this is what you'll put in the adjusted journal entry. So it'll be unearned revenue subscription revenue of how much? So 1,200 divided by 12 months, $100. So $100 and subscription revenue of $100 as well. Okay, and now we can add that to the new T accounts. So what's going to happen is we'll keep the old ones there from before. We'll add them in. Those 1,200 that was there, 1,200, and also on the unearned subscription revenue was 1,200. And let's add the new information, which was unearned subscription revenue for the 31st and subscription revenue of the 31st as well. So on the unearned side, on the debit side, the unearned subscription revenue was debited, so that's debit of $100, and that now becomes 1,100 as a total. And on the subscription revenue side, we are going to have a credit of the subscription revenue on the 31st of October of how much? $100. And that's a total of $100 as well. So that's how you do a deferred revenue for the adjusted journal entries.